The current state of the crypto market, short and simple, is that we are going to be in a very long period of simply just waiting. Okay, so essentially what just happened, we had the Bitcoin halving, and if we look at previous cycles with the Bitcoin halving, we can see that the previous Bitcoin halvings have showed us that in a period of around 5 to 8 months, that is what it takes for a bull run to then start to kick off. Now, we obviously are technically in a bull run right now. Not really though, we're in very early stages, but to see the significant uptrend, again, 5 to 7, 8 months. So if we go off of that, I'm gonna predict that the bull run will come here in around anywhere from October to December. So if we start to see an uptrend in those months, that means it is following how it always has followed. There's big things coming, and also we're going to be talking about Aerodrome today. So basically, yeah, we're in a current waiting period. Lots of people are going to be taken out of it because of boredom, impatience. You're going to probably see some losses on some projects, at least in the short term, because we're just going to be very stagnant. So we're not going to see much price uptrends up and down. Now this could all change. We could see the bull run come in earlier and completely surprise us, or we could see there be no bull run. That time could come and there's no bull run to ever hit. Those are two scenarios that also could happen, so be prepared for anything. Now, with that all being said, I'm going to be talking about Aerodrome for the rest of this video. So Aerodrome basically is trading around $1.40. My vision for Aerodrome, I think realistically it will hit $30. So currently from where it's at right now, that is, I believe, around a 20x gain. It is a 20x gain there, because 1.5 times 20 is going to be 30. That would hit the $30 mark, and a 20x gain in a bull market, like a huge bull market, that's nothing. So that's a conservative price target for me. Now, I got in Aerodrome at around 60 cents. Now, if you were to tell me back then that Aerodrome could hit $30, I would be amazed, because that's around a 50x. 50x is pretty significant. But obviously, because I got in very early on Aerodrome, other people got in way earlier than I did. But because I did get in pretty early on Aerodrome, that essentially has allowed me to kind of get in below the floor level, below when everyone started to buy in. I mean, buying in right now is still very low, and so looking at that is kind of crazy to me. But I still think this is a great project, especially with Slipstream. They're optimizing with that. Of course, Coinbase is backing this project. I've talked about Aerodrome ever since it was at 60 cents, especially on my Twitter. So we've been talking about this project for a long time. I've already doubled my money. Could have pulled out when it hit $2.30 like a lot of people did, but I did not. That's just something that I tend to not do. I tend not to try to predict the market. I tend not to, pull out at $2.30 and watch it go to $5. Now, obviously, in a strong bull run, that is something that you're going to want to do. You're going to want to try to predict your exit. So for me, my exit plan is I'm going to exit anywhere from December of this year to around May of next year, depending on the bull market, depending on if we even see one. It could be way longer than that, or it could be way shorter. So that's it, guys. This was kind of just a crypto talk. We talked about Aerodrome, and we talked about the current state of the market. If you guys want to see more crypto related content, I'm going to be trying to upload 2 crypto related videos every single week, as well as my millionaire vlog every Monday, which is essentially a series in which I attempt to become a millionaire, and I document it every single week. So if you guys want to stay tuned for that, that will be out next week, as well as some crypto videos, but I'll see you guys in those videos. Peace.